All right, ready for the grill. And I just love the sound of the steak hitting the grill. And a secret to a perfect crosshatch grill marks, you want to place it down at 10 o'clock and then 2 o'clock. These steaks look so good, and the juices dripping down through the grate. That's why the salad is called a waterfall salad. All right, these guys are done. Now, I gotta cover these so they don't get cold. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put together the waterfall salad. Now, even though it's a salad, it's all just meat and fresh herbs. I'm starting with fish sauce. Not too much, because the steaks are already really flavorful. And lime juice. That's pretty much the dressing. It's the simplest salad in the world. Now the fresh herbs, shallots. Lemongrass. Now lemongrass is really fibrous, so if I'm gonna mix it into a salad, I wanna make sure it's really, really fine. So that's why the smashing is gonna help break it up a little bit. All right. That'll do. Some green onions. So I always like to split the bottom parts. So it's not too pungent. Some cilantro. And finally, mint. Oh, it's like a Thai garden in a bowl. Now time for the steak. Let's see. I think this guy looks pretty good. And with flank, it's really important to cut against the grain to make sure that the pieces are tender. And the end piece is my favorite. Oh. Look at all the juices coming out. It's gonna be so good. Into the dressing. Now, before I give that one last mix, my secret ingredient goes in, the toasted rice powder. This right here is what Nam Tok Nua is all about. Oh, yes. All right, and as simple as that, it's ready to plate. An extra mint or cilantro. Oh, yeah. The steak is flavorful, but at the same time, fresh because of all the herbs and the bright lime juice that's going in there.